Okay, to install ImageMagick 7.1 and Ubuntu 22.04, I'm going to open a terminal and I'm going to type sudo apt -- purge remove ImageMagick. I'm going to remove my ImageMagick version 6. Okay, next, type wget https imagemagick.org/archive/ImageMagick. .tar.gz. Next, tar xzf imagemagick.tar.gz. Next, I'm going to do a list and then cd into the new directory that was created, which is ImageMagick-7.1.1-44. Next, type /configure. And when that's done, type make. Next, type sudo make install. When that's done, type sudo ld config/usr/local/lib. Then type magic -- version, and you can see we've now installed ImageMagick 7.1.1-44. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.